Welcome to Projectworks, the project intelligence platform that scales your firm efficiently. My name's Lauren, and today we'll run through creating a new project. It'll only take a couple of minutes, so we encourage you to follow along in your Projectworks trial environment. Open up your Projectworks trial. The user interface is filled with useful information about projects that you're working on once you've been assigned to them. Let's set up a project. Select the New button in the top right-hand side to get started. In this drop-down menu, you can create a new expense, project, leave request, or a new person. For this exercise, the company has been created already, so you don't need to do anything else. Select Project to begin your first project. Enter your project information. Click Create Project. To make the most of your trial, you'll want to add a budget to your project. Select Budgets. Select Add Budget. Different businesses have different methods of setting up project budgets. Today, we'll split up the budget by project phase. When creating a budget, you're able to build it with different levels of granularity. The simplest way is to set a fee for each budget line within your project, top down. You can also build the project based on hours and rates, which is bottom up. There will be two phases, and we will set up a materials budget line as well. In the materials budget line, we will be logging expenses, not time. Enter your budgets for each phase of the project. Use the drop-down to select the relevant accounting codes for each budget line. Now, let's add time codes. Select Add Time Code and enter the name of your time code. I'll add two time codes, called Task 1 and Task 2 under Phase 1. And under Phase 2, I'll add two more time codes, called Task 2.1 and Task 2.2. And then hit Save. Nice job! Now you've created a project within Projectworks and you're ready to start resourcing. Take a moment to look around this project to get a sense of how it could relate to your business. If you'd like to see a different project with demo data, select Project in the Projects menu. Watch the next video to learn how to resource your project. Thanks for watching. To book a demo and see how Projectworks will help you drive profitable projects, visit projectworks.com.